My name is Samantha Jimenez, and today I'm going to be talking to you about nuclear waste and its possibilities for energy. So, what exactly is it? Well, today we are using nuclear reactors to produce energy and electricity, but the only problem is that at the same time we're producing nuclear waste and we have more of it than we can handle, so we must find a way to try and eliminate that problem. So, why exactly is it of interest? Well, the fact that we are producing about 2,000 metric tons on a yearly basis of nuclear waste is quite a big problem. And also that amounts to about $7.1 trillion worth of electricity. And our current way of disposing of that nuclear waste is putting it in cement cylinders and burning it deep in the earth, which is really hazardous to the environment. So we must eliminate that problem and use that nuclear waste as a source for energy. And what exactly is our current state of knowledge? Well, right now, we are using light water reactors, which use only about 3% of the nuclear material, and that's a big problem because about 97% is going to waste. But two MIT students have found a way to eliminate that problem because they have found a way to use that nuclear waste as a source for energy in their nuclear reactors. So where exactly are things going with this new reactor that they have created? Well, the way that it works is they take that nuclear waste and they dissolve it in fluoride, which then turns it into molten salt, and they heat it up, producing steam that powers the turbine. And the real benefit to that process is the fact that it uses 98% of the nuclear waste, leaving only about 3 kilograms of nuclear waste on a yearly basis, which is about the size of a baseball. And also, the reactor is really safe because if we were to have a power outage and there was nobody able to operate those reactors, it shuts down on its own, eliminating any possibilities of having a reactor disaster. So the controversies that they're facing right now is the fact that mostly all of the nuclear reactors are light water reactors, so they must convince them to switch over and use reactors that use the nuclear waste as an energy source. And also it can be costly because they must build new facilities. And the nuclear waste that they want to use as an energy source is owned by the Department of Energy, so they must gain ownership of that material. And lastly, since they are exposing their pipes to nuclear waste and hazardous materials, they must replace it on a regular basis, which can be costly to them. That's all I have for now, so thank you for listening.